Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. I'm very excited to share with you this new version of OuteTTS model. We have been covering these models on the channel for the last couple of months, as you can see here on the channel, and I have always found out that these models, despite of their small size, perform really well when it comes to text to speech. The good thing is that the number of languages it supports is also increasing, so it is really becoming multilingual. Still, the language range is confined to European languages and some of the Asian languages, so hopefully they will expand it more. But the real cool thing about this model is that it maintains its smaller size, and again in this point 3 version, which is a newest version, it comes in 1 billion and 500 million parameter size, which is really small for a text to speech model while maintaining the quality. So it means that not only you can run it on your servers but also on the edge devices, which is really cool. So this new version, we are going to install it locally and then we will play around with it. Also, there will be two parts of this video. First one is where I will show you the local installation and we will see its performance. In the second video, which will also be released very soon, I will be showing you how you can do the voice cloning by selecting your own voice from your local system, so stay tuned. Anyway, before I show you the installation, let me give a huge shout out to our very good friends at Mast Compute who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. I will drop the link to their website plus a discount coupon of 50% in video's description, so do check them out. Now, coming back to this OuteTTS, this new version introduces multiple model variants, as I explained earlier, for diverse use cases. What this model significantly does in this version is that it enhances the naturalness and coherence of speech synthesis by adding punctuation support, improving the flow and clarity of generated speech. The punctuation marks which are supported are full stop, exclamation mark, question mark, and then few others which you can check it out on their model card, and I will drop the link to it in video's description. So interestingly enough, what happens is that these punctuation marks are converted into special tokens. For instance, full stop is transformed into angular bracket period, and then these models were also trained on refined and extended data sets that offers broader linguistic coverage. In this new version, German and French are also supported. So in total, 6 languages are supported: English, Japanese, Korean, Chinese, French, and German. Hopefully it will also support other Asian languages like Hindi, Arabic, Persian, Hebrew, and the maybe African languages, Swahili, and there are heaps of them there too. Anyway, I'm more than sure that as it evolves, that will be supported. So let's try to get it installed, and then towards when it is installing, I will also brief you how exactly it differs from some of the other TTS models. Anyway, so let's try to get it installed. As you can see that I'm running this Ubuntu system, and this is my GPU card, NVIDIA RTX 6000 with 48 GB of VRAM, courtesy Mast Compute. Let me create a virtual environment with Conda. While it creates, let me introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are AgentBot. AgentBot lets you effortlessly deploy a personalized knowledge bot across platforms like Discord, Slack, and others. It is ideal for open source tech communities and startups that provide user support, and I will drop the link to their website in video's description, so do check them out. Okay, let's go back to our terminal to see what is happening. Our virtual environment is done. Let's create these auxiliary libraries, which are PyAudio and Libport Audio. This is going to take few seconds. Next, we need to install all the prerequisites, which include Torch, Torch Audio, Transformers, Decode, and stuff. This is going to take 2 to 3 minutes. Prerequisites are done. Next, we need to install the OuteTTS package with symbol pip command. Now let me launch my Jupyter notebook and we will play around with this model. Okay, first up, let's import the libraries, and then we will configure the model, which I'm using the 1 billion one. You can go with 500 million if you like. And then I'm just initializing the interface through which we will do the TTS here. So let me run it. and the model is being downloaded. Model is very small, as you can see here. The size is just around 2.38. And while it downloads, let's have a quick overview of how it is different from the rest of the lot. So look, what this model is trying to do, it is trying to achieve, what it is trying to achieve is enabling language models or LLMs to handle speech capabilities. It is based on Llama. It is quite flexible since it does not change the core architecture of those LLMs. It makes it really easy to adapt to existing libraries like llama.cpp or even xllama v2. It also supports features like voice cloning, which we will also see in another video very soon, where you can include a speaker reference in the prompt for the model to follow your reference audio. And then in the future, the plan is to also explore speech to speech capabilities, which is still in early development, but I'm more than sure that is going to be released soon. So because of its architecture simplified nature, it is different and quite lightweight from rest of the lot. Okay, let's see what is happening here. It seems that the model is loaded. Now let's do the inference or TTS with it. And I am just going to paste the code here, where all we are doing, we are selecting the speaker. This is a speaker. There are a lot of speakers, and I will also show you the list which you can select. And as I said, you can even create your own speaker profile, but after doing the voice cloning, which will be the next video. And then we are just asking the model to generate the audio file, and this is the text which we wanted to speak, like happiness is a gentle hum of a life well lived, and then so on. And then from there I am creating the output and saving it as a wave file on my current working directory. So let me run it, and then I will also show you the VRAM consumption. It is running at the moment. Let's check it out. So it is consuming around 6 GB of VRAM, which is not much really for this quality of model in 1 billion. And of course, if you are using 500 million, that should even be smaller. And you can see that it has finished. It has created the output.wave file. Let me play it in the browser for you.
Happiness is the gentle hum of a life well lived, a symphony of moments that resonate with love, laughter, and a deep sense of fulfillment.
Really good stuff. Okay, let me show you other speaker profiles. So for that, all you need to do is to just run this command, interface.print default speakers. Once you run it, it is going to show you these are all the available ones in all the languages. So you see there are male and female for every supported language. So now let's have a bit of a fun. So what I'm going to do here, that I'm going to put in this French female speaker to generate this English, and then let me run it, and then I will just let it run so that you would see the speed of its generation. And just wait for it. I just want you to show you how long does it take in real time. You see, within 10 seconds it was done. It is on my local system here, so let me move it to the browser quickly and play it for you. Okay, now listen to this.
Happiness is the gentle hum of a life well lived, a symphony of moments that resonate with love, laughter, and a deep sense of fulfillment.
What do you think? If you're a French speaker and a female too, please confirm if that's how you would speak. It still sounded a bit too English to me, but anyway. Okay, now let's do a German voice and a German text. So in this test, I have gone with this German male one, and then this is a German text. It's the same English sentence about happiness. I just translated it into German. So I'm going to play it, and then I will leave the decision of its quality on my German viewers, and please also confirm it. So let me play it for you.
Das Glück ist das leise Summen eines gut gelebten Lebens, eine Sinfonie von Momenten, die mit Liebe, Lachen und einem tiefen Gefühl der Erfüllung schwingen.
You know what? Looks good to me, but I will leave the decision to you. What do you think about it? Let us know. And finally, let's try it out with a Chinese one. And again, I have translated the same sentence to Chinese, and I'm going with this ZH female voice. So let's run it, and then once it's completed, I will play it for you. So it has generated it. Let me play it for you.
幸福是生活中的一种悦耳的第一，是充满了笑声和满足感的时刻组成的较小。
And of course, if you're a Chinese speaker, please let us know in the comments that what do you think about this, is that correct, and especially the accent. So look, as you see, just a 1 billion model, and look at the performance, really good stuff. So OuteTTS has done it again. I will drop the link to their model card in video's description. If you want to see their previous versions, feel free to check out the channel. If you're looking to do 500, all you need to do is to just replace it with 500. One word you need to replace, and rest of it will stay the same. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.